Hey guys, how's it going? Kipkay here, and you may have noticed I haven't posted a video in a while, and it's because I'm on the trip of a lifetime. I'm here in Italy right now in Milan, and this has been a great trip. Amazing sights and sounds here in Italy. In addition to all the amazing things that we've seen here, there have been a great number of makers and DIY and craftsmen that have created all kinds of really cool things. Now, anytime you go on a trip, whether it's a short trip or a long trip like this one is, it's important to keep your home safe while you're gone. And that's what this video is all about. Today's video is brought to you by SimpliSafe. SimpliSafe has everything you need to make sure your home is safe, beginning with the home base that runs the whole system. You can get motion sensors, sirens, entry sensors, smoke detectors, cameras, and anything you need to customize your system. Gone are the days of running wires all over thanks to SimpliSafe's fast and long-range wireless connections for all of their devices. You won't believe how easy it was to install my entire system and get up and running. Plus, your home can be professionally monitored 24/7 by 6 different monitoring centers. And best of all, there are no contracts or hidden costs. SimpliSafe has really fair and honest pricing. You can even control your system and monitor your cameras from the SimpliSafe app. So check out SimpliSafe, the home security system that's contract-free, easy to use, and customizable. Go to simplisafe.com/kipkay. Keep your home safe today with SimpliSafe. There's few things that are scarier than a home burglary. Your privacy's been invaded and someone's in your house snooping through your stuff and stealing your valuables. So let's turn your home into a safe house with these life hacks. Now, this first one might be obvious, but you would be surprised how many people leave their doors unlocked. Sometimes it's by accident, but it's a good thing to pay attention to when you're getting ready to travel. Lock your doors. Social media is such a big part of so many of our lives that sometimes we post updates, not even thinking that we're letting people know we're not home. Now, while I did do updates when we were out of town, I knew my home was safe, so I wasn't worried. But beware of your social media updates. Criminals are always on the lookout for an easy opportunity, and if your home's lawn or yard is not kept in shape, it might be a sign that you're not home. So make sure you have a friend or family member or hire someone to keep your yard clean while you're gone. This next one won't keep your home safe from a burglar, but it will keep your home safe from a disaster. All it takes is one leaky pipe and you could have a flooded home when you return. So if you have an easily accessible shutoff valve like I do, shut the water off to your house before you go away. Or you could even go out to your water meter and shut it off there. Either way, be sure to shut off your water when you travel. If you're anything like me, you get a lot of mail, even though most of it is probably junk mail. And we also get our fair share of packages being delivered. And believe it or not, some people still get newspaper deliveries. So whether they come to your door in person or by drone, you want to make sure you stop all deliveries, mail, newspaper, and packages. Contact your postal service or newspaper company and be sure to reschedule any packages that might be delivered while you're away. Having a well-lit home is always a good idea, especially when you're out of town. Not only does it make it look like someone's at your house, but it can also cause a deterrent for anyone who wants to sneak around in the dark. Inexpensive motion sensor lights outside will startle any strangers, and for inside, there's all kinds of ways to keep lights on. Old school mechanical timers work just fine. You set the time on and off. Or light sensors that will turn lights on just when it's dark, along with LED bulbs that will do the same thing. Of course, with home automation, you can schedule all your lights to come on and off whenever you want. Bottom line, keep your house lit. Here's another one to keep in mind when you're home or parking at an airport. Never leave your GPS out in plain sight because someone can steal it and access your home address, go to your home, and commit a burglary. While many of us use our phones for GPS, a lot of people still have the older separate GPS system, so make sure you hide your GPS. If you don't currently own a safe, you should get a good one. And if you own one, be sure to put all your valuables in it before you travel. It might be common sense, but it's important to use your safe. So that's how to make your home a safe house with these life hacks. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.